for apple. B for ball.
C for cat.
हेर्नु C for तिमी आफै भन्दैन D for dog. नभन तिमी D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for G for grapes. H for I for K for L for L for lion. M for monkey.